Hi, welcome. Today I will show how to create a small application uh, by using Power Apps. So this is a beginner tutorial. So this is more like we are creating a leave creation small application by using Power Apps and the Excel. Okay, first of all, open the Excel and then create a table with employee name, leave type, start date, end date, and reason and then status. So a small table with these columns. Then go to insert and select here and then say create table, right? And use my table has headers and click OK, right? So now the table has created and we set the table name as leave request table. And then please save it as a leave request uh, in OneDrive or any share that you want. Now log into make.powerapps.com and press create. Now in the Power BI Power Apps form, so we start with data and select external data because we are using external table and select Excel and we are trying to select the table that we have connected. So now we select the table and we keep this one as it is and we create the app. Right, it might take a little while to get the app created. Now, as you can see, my app is created. Now we can edit this as you want. So if you click is there are so many properties. There are like, there's a bar that we can, program as well. We can create buttons. We can do many stuff in Power Apps. But in this simple example, this is the default application created for leave creation. So I run it. Right, so as you can see now I can add a this is how it looks like when we run it. So we create a new and we can select say Michael and select the date August 12th. Leave type we can say annual. Reason we can say vacation. Start date, okay, let's see, it's on August 10th and we can say status new, something like that. So you can fill any value that and then we press enter and ID also we can say 1, right? So now we send the record to the app itself. So as you can see now Michael's record is already added to the table. So let's go to the Excel and see how it looks like. Now if I go to Excel, so as you can see our leave sheet table is updated with the new record. So let's see when we want to update this one. So again, you can come back to Power BI app and then you can do modify and let's say here we say casual leave, right? And we modify this, right? And we go to Excel and see how it has been modified. So as you can see, the leave type has been updated. So this is the way creating a simple application by using Power Apps. So we keep in touch for more Power Apps, Power BI videos future as well. Thank you.